you doing?
Kenzie and me are playing around, and I gotta sing the little song A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V
Sit up.
W X Y and Z. Now
Diesel,
I
easy.
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
He doesn't need your toys, baby. He doesn't need your toys.
And then...
Are you going to give kisses?
My little baby. Stop pushing this back.
Woo! Good thing we have pillows there. Sit up. Kendall, move that pillow because he's pushing it. Are you getting them, Kins? That's soft. That's soft, isn't it? Don't fall. Sit up straight.
Don't worry, it's really squishy.
Oh, I know. Watch your hands. Watch your hands, mister. You don't need to be doing that. Quit being lazy. Quit being lazy. Sit up straight. You're falling over already. Sit up straight. You just want this? Do you like that? Sit up straight. She just wants to lay on that with the big bear.
Well, she's not going to slobber on it.
Well, she's okay. You want to sit up now? Kendall, stop. It's okay if she gets a little bit of slobber on it. You want to help her sit up?
Yep.
Oh, she did good. Diesel, you can't be all on her.
I'll do this so she doesn't fall.
Watch your hands, Diesel. Come over here. Whoop, Mommy dropped the camera. Diesel. You're such a big baby. All right, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Kenzie. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.